Yo, what is up, y'all? It's Ashley Cruz yet again, and we're headed to our flight in Arizona. We woke up at
2:30. We woke up at 2:30.
I woke up at 3, but I went to bed at 1:30. So we'll see how this goes. We're really tired, and we're dropping off our bags. Okay, so we just ran into an issue. Both me and my sister's bags were over pounds. Mine was 5 pounds over pounds, and hers was 10. We didn't know it couldn't be over 50. So that's a stress. And then her cord didn't work, so we had to use grandma's, and this is our stress levels this week.
You feel helpless and you're looking to the sky. Some people would say to accept defeat. Well, if this is fate, then we'll find a way to cheat.
We're now in our seats and we're waiting to board.
Ladies and gentlemen, once again, good morning. Welcome aboard our flight to Dallas Fort Worth today. We do have a towing
It isn't fair. No, you can call on me when you need somebody.
Take off. Hey, so cool. We have to be quiet. We're moving.
You can't stop the tears from falling down. When you're weary and the road is dark, and I'll guide you with the beating of my heart. And if the car break and the help don't come, well then we'll find a way to dodge a smoking gun. We'll say a little prayer. If the answer isn't fair, then call on me. When you need somebody.
We're being Tucson. Okay, and now we're headed on the plane to go to wherever in Arizona. Where are we going?
Tucson.
No. Grandma, where are we going in Arizona?
Tucson.
I thought we just are in Tucson.
We're in Dallas.
Oh,
You can't stop the tears from falling down.
in Texas, and now we have to take a train to our next stop. Woo! I passed out. She couldn't shut up, and then Grandma was
just call on me, just call on me.
yeah. Don't fall over. We just got in Tucson. Tucson. We're going to baggage to meet
Talking to myself,
and stuff. Grandma's home.
will I see again? We are always running for the thrill of it, always pushing up the hill, searching for the thrill of it. All along we are calling out again, never looking down, I'm just in awe of what's in front of me. Calling out loud and clear, never looking down. I'm just an aura of what's in front of me.
Guys, you just see baby.
The mama was ate the baby.
It's like this is like
Say hi. This is for my video. Where's this one? Say hi.
what's up?
Are you mad at us?